It's time to go miniature.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, and I put out new photography tutorials every Wednesday for you guys. So if you want new photography tips and tricks from me every Wednesday, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. And today, for the first time, I'm going to try miniature photography. It's going to be a ton of work, but this is a genre that has always intrigued me. So let's go to the things you will need. A camera, any camera will do guys. I'm going to use my Nikon D5300 along with both my lenses, 7300 for little close-ups and 1855mm kit lens. I can also try my Nikon Coolpix D500 point and shoot camera and my mobile phone. If you have a macro lens, you can use that too. Models. Now my models are gonna be mini figures. You may use any toys you may have at home, or else you can make your own mini models. I'll show you how you can do that later. Next, setup. You need to think for your setup what can depict your idea and your story in the best way. And whatever materials you have at home that you can mix and match to make your mini sets. And you don't need a huge space to make your sets. You can do it on the floor or on the table. Next, lights. I'm going to use a table lamp to light my setup. You can use any kind of lights you have at home that give white light. Also, I have my external flash Godox TTL and some reflectors made with aluminium foil, white paper, thermocol or white sandboard. Tripod gives you an added advantage. And also a remote. If you don't have a remote, you can use the self-timer mode of your camera. Now with this gear, let's start clicking.
First, I have a laughing Buddha and I'm gonna place him on a pile of books to depict that books lead to happiness and peace. Next, I'm gonna play with my toy friend Goopy. I'm gonna take his picture along with this brush. It's nice and corroded. I'll take the picture first. Then go to Google, search for a laser beam, take it into Photoshop. Use the screen mode and place it as though Goopy has laser eyes and is destroying this brush. Some smoke effect too. Same way, take the image, place it in Photoshop, give it screen blend mode. That's it. Same way, I'm gonna show Goopy making toast with his laser eyes. First, I'll take an image with bread in a plate. Camera is positioned on a tripod. Then replace the bread with a toast. Make sure you place it in the same spot and click. Take the images into Photoshop. Place the toast image over the bread one. Add a layer mask. Fill it with black. Then using a white brush, reveal some of the toast from this image. Place the laser beams and smoke again, and voila, Goopy is making toast. Goopy trapped amongst these jars. My mom has these colorful thread spools and I've tied Goopy with their threads. So it looks like these spools are gonna kidnap Goopy. They also give me a nice colorful background. Now Goopy has fought with Mr. Sellotape and Mr. Sellotape has tied him up. I've made angry eyes on some cardboard and stuck it at the end of the sellotape. to show how angry he is. It's Christmas time. Goopy, for a change, is not in trouble and is celebrating with a Christmas tree and gifts. I've made the tree by sticking punched circles on white paper. Gifts are matchboxes that I have wrapped in colored paper and tied with some thread or ribbon. Merry Christmas. On some spatula, I have tried to make a scenery. Used coriander for trees, lemon as the sun, and some cauliflower as the clouds. I've stuck expressions on potatoes using sellotape. Here the potatoes are hula hooping using some bangles. One potato is crying because his loop has fallen. One is scared because his is gonna fall off. And the third potato is happily enjoying the game. I'm gonna use this scared potato and crying potato to depict the scene as though this potato is dying and the other one is obviously scared. The blood is, as you may have guessed, some tomato ketchup. I saw this reference on Google and let's give it a try.
So guys, I had a lot of fun doing these small miniature photography experiments at home. It was a task making all those sets and shooting, but it was worth it as I got to learn a lot. And if you like this video guys and learned from it too, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous photography tutorial. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.